Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to check your Ford Fusion's transmission fluid. First, always park your vehicle on a completely level surface to get the most accurate reading possible. It is also crucial that your engine is at its normal operating temperature, so drive it for about 15 minutes beforehand. Finally, have a clean rag and a funnel ready for the process. These simple steps ensure a smooth and precise check. Now, let's find that dipstick. The transmission fluid dipstick is typically located near the back of the engine compartment and often has a red or yellow handle. If you are unsure, your vehicle's owner's manual will provide the exact location and any specific instructions. Sometimes, you might need to remove an engine cover to gain clear access to it. Take your time to locate it correctly. Once you've found the dipstick, here's how to check the fluid. With the engine still running and in park, carefully pull out the dipstick. Use your clean rag to wipe all the fluid off the dipstick. Then, reinsert it completely into its tube. Pull it out one more time and observe the fluid level. It should fall between the hot or full marks on the dipstick, indicating a proper level. If your fluid level is low, it's time to add some. Use a funnel to carefully pour small amounts of the correct transmission fluid into the dipstick tube. Be sure to use the specific type recommended for your vehicle. After adding a small amount, reinsert the dipstick and check the level again. It is very important not to overfill, as this can cause other issues. Repeat until the level is correct.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.